Hello everyone, welcome here to the top 3 developers in Thailand. Another's latest project, Cultural Chula. A very special feature of this project would be the Ascott hospitality service. All units will be served by the Ascott, and it is total of 612 units, and all local quotas were sold by 85% and very popular. This project sits in the best location in Bangkok city center. Within 2 to 3 minutes walking distance, it will be at Sala Daeng BTS station behind, and also about 3 minutes walk to Silom MRT station. Let's make this project with the best accessibility to 2 best railway in Bangkok. Other than that, it is next to the best university in Thailand, Chulalongkorn University. That's why Ascott serviced apartment is very well received by students, staff and professors, and also very popular too. Since it is behind Sala Daeng Business District, which are with the busiest business activities, it is very popular by the young professionals and business executives working here. Other than the business district, on the right side is Silom area, where it is well-known commercial area, and it is only 400 meters walking distance to Silom Edge, one of the largest shopping mall in Bangkok. How rarely you can find a prime location with all-in-one with shopping, business, education. This location is unbeatable for no matter local Thai or expat. All units are of loft design with high ceiling heights. Let's go to see the showroom. Here it is a 2-bedroom showroom duplex design, similar to most of the design of Thai apartments. Walking into the unit, you'll see an open kitchen area. You can see this nicely furnished kitchen cabinet, kitchen hob, and artificial stone working counters are all included, including this microwave. Opposite to the open kitchen, it will be a fully finished bathroom with modern and minimal design, which young professional and universities like this. Walking into the living room area is very spacious, which can fit in 4 to 5 persons dining table. The dining area can fit either a round table or long table as your own favorite. One other features will be the storage, as it is a loft design. That developer has fully made use of the area underneath stairs as storage. Developer has now put the washing machine inside the storage room, which you may consider as for your own units. You can see designer has designed this with a lot of shelf for this showroom as for decorations. It is a 4.3 meter ceiling height, which is very sufficient. Compared with some of the ballrooms in hotels, which is just about 3.5 to 4 meter ceiling height. And here you can see how high 4.3 is, and it allows to have this loft design. This is the living room area, which is a rectangular shape. All units are with balcony, and with a sliding door leading to the balcony. Since it is a showroom which we can't see the actual view, and you can see curtains is also included in the units. Now we are up in the loft area of the duplex design. All you can see here now as the staircase, wooden floor are all included within the selling price. And you can see the bedroom. This loft area is very spacious. You can see how nice with the space which you can put the queen size bed in the middle with a space for workstation in the bedroom. And then here is the space for the wardrobe area as designed by developer. And you can put your clothes, accessory or lifestyle items. Here you go is the master bedroom area, which is more spacious than the earlier bedroom. And that is with a king size bed, bedside board, and you can have a big wardrobe or even a walk-in closet. You can see how cool this cultural Chula project. The design is very vibrant and chic. It has a very good potential tenant pool of Chulalongkorn University students, young professionals, or even business executive families. You can see a lot of different facilities, and this 33 stories high residential will be equipped with swimming pool, gym, fitness, and other facilities which can meet the needs of the local crowd. Let's walk around to see the neighborhood. Behind is the building site of actual building of Cultural Chula, and estimated completion will be in 2025. Now let's see how close it is to Sala Daeng BTS station. When it is completed, that will be another exit from the other side of the building, where you may see it is more basic now. Actually, once you step out of the project site, it will be leading to Sala Daeng BTS station, which is walking straight for about 30 meters, then turn right will be at the station. You can see in front is already the Sala Daeng BTS station. Along the alleyway to BTS station, there would be a lot of different restaurants which will be open in later in the day, since it's still early in the morning. You can see a lot of variety of cuisines. Also, here already one shopping mall called Tanya. And we now arrive at Sala Daeng station, which takes you 4 minutes to be here from Cultural Chula. A donkey mall is just right next to it. Behind Cultural Chula, you can see the famous Sathorn business district. So if you live in Cultural Chula, you can walk to your office at Sathorn, the CBD area of Bangkok. When I arrived Chula area, it is very different than the Akamai area in Tonglo where I stay this time. The road here is more spacious and not crowded. People here are also very friendly too. It takes you about 5 to 6 minutes to be at Chulalongkorn University, which is behind me. There's also reason you know why a lot of locals have bought here for its kids who study at the university. And opposite to Chulalongkorn University is already the office of Siam Commercial Bank. That is why Sala Daeng area also have a lot of business activity and attracts a lot of working professional for any working opportunities. Since Ananda is very reputable developer, which is why over 85% local quotas are sold. Who are the buyers? They are both demand over self-stay or investment. Self-stay would be working professional within the area or parents of Chulalongkorn University students, and also executive working in Sala Daeng or Silom, even those at Sathorn area. This will be your potential tenants or buyer. If you're interested in this project, please feel free to contact the Asia Bankers Club. We'll have different Zoom sections and tour. Please let us know what you are most interested, and we will have our designated relationship manager to be in touch with you. Thank you.